Raise it up.
Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
They know not what they do. They crucify us. Father, forgive them. Father, curse them!
Legionary, wedge the cross.
What are you looking at, Roman? Come to look at death? Saint Roman! Save me from this suffering!
Try this one. He calls himself your Christ. Maybe he will save you. Maybe he'll set you free.
If he is Christ, the chosen one, the Son of God, let him come down from the cross and save himself. Then we will believe him. Save yourself, Galilean.
You who would destroy the temple and in 3 days build it up again. Save yourself.
Come down from your cross, great King.
You healed others, heal yourself.
One of your miracles now, oh great Christ.
Christ! Savior of what? Are you not the Christ? If you are the Christ, save yourself and us!
Have you no fear of God, though you have been condemned to the same punishment? We suffer just and are getting what we deserve. But this man has done no wrong. Lord, remember me when you return the glory of your kingdom.
I promise you, this day you will be with me in paradise.
He must be dead and off his cross by sundown. As with these others,
By whose authority?
it is the law.
Not my law.
The bodies of those hanged...
Take it up with Pilate. I act on his orders, not yours. Gennari, the crowd is pressing too closely. Move it back!
We will take it up with Pilate. You hear of it?
Come on. Another wager, Remus.
Little more than an hour and you've won half my pay.
Let us gamble for the king's robe, huh?
Done.
Are they dead yet?
I've seen men live 3 days hung on a cross with rope and 2 days hung with nails.
It will not be so with these. They will be dead and off their crosses by sunset. The legs will be broken if need be. These are Pilate's orders.
This is the one they call the Christ.
If the bodies remain here after sunset, the priests say it will defile their Sabbath.
I have never seen bravery like this. Even on the battlefield. What evil has he done?
They say he blasphemed against their God.
If the law of Moses says the body of this man would defile the Sabbath, then the law is wrong. I will see that Pilate's orders are executed.
Keep back there.
You have some
Stay where you
ones in
are.
your gathering, huh?
I've seen them in the crowd most of the day. Relatives, perhaps. What is your business here?
This is Mary, mother of Jesus.
And who are you?
I am his follower and his friend. My name is John.
You are close enough.
Woman, behold thy son. Son, behold thy mother.
And where is this friend of the crucified who would speak with me?
That is the man, just inside the clearing, sir.
I know this man, Centurion. He is Joseph, the Arimathean, a member of the Sanhedrin.
What business have you with me?
You are familiar with the law concerning these men, Centurion?
I take my orders from the procurator, not the Sanhedrin. Now, unless you have...
I do not come as a member of the Sanhedrin, but as a friend of him whom you crucified.
His friends might have served him better if they had come earlier.
I have arranged with his mother to give him sepulcher. I come to claim his body.
You must arrange these things with Pilate.
I thought it best to have a word with you. Some might be too eager to see him in a common grave, even while I state my case to Pilate.
Leave now and make your arrangements. You will be back before we break the legs.
You will not break his legs, Centurion. Many things were written about this man, even before he was conceived in his mother's womb. Of the Messiah it is written, "You shall not break a bone of him."
Then you think he is your Messiah?
My God. My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
He speaks the words of David the prophet.
I am a worm of the earth and
I am a worm of the earth, not a man. The reproach of men and the outcast of the people. All that see me laugh me to scorn. They have opened their mouths against me as a lion, raving and roaring. The counsel of the malignant has besieged me. They have dug my hands and feet. They have numbered all my bones. They have looked and stared upon me. They parted my garments amongst them, and upon my vesture they cast lots. My strength is dried up like a potsherd, and my tongue hath cleaved to my jaws.
I thirst. It is finished. Father, into thy hands I commend my spirit.
In the world, and the world was made by him, and the world knew him not. He came unto his own, and his own received him not. But as many as received him, he gave them power to be made the sons of God, to them that believe in his name.